Mastering Feature Flag Management with AWS App Config, a comprehensive guide. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction to Feature Flags in Software Development. Feature flags, or feature toggles, have become essential in modern software development. These mechanisms allow developers to turn features on or off in a production environment without deploying new code. Feature flags offer a powerful way to test new features, perform A/B testing, roll out features gradually, and manage emergency switches. By decoupling feature deployment from code releases, feature flags empower teams to maintain continuous integration and continuous delivery (C/CD) pipelines, leading to faster iterations and more controlled rollouts. Historical context and current usage scenarios. The concept of feature flags dates back to the early days of agile development when teams needed a method to ship features safely without waiting for long release cycles. Initially, they were simple if-else statements in the codebase, but over time, their role expanded. Today, feature flags are integral to various scenarios, such as continuous integration, gradually roll out features for users while monitoring their impact. Emergency switches, instantly turning off a problematic feature in case of a critical bug or performance issue. A/B testing, experimenting with different versions of a feature to determine the best user experience. Types of feature flags, continuous integration and emergency switches. Feature flags can be categorized based on their usage. Continuous integration flags. These are used to manage feature rollouts in a C/CD environment. They allow teams to deploy incomplete features to production without exposing them to end users until they are fully ready. Emergency switches. These are used as kill switches to disable features causing production problems. This ensures quick mitigation of issues without requiring a complete rollback. Short-lived toggles for testing and rapid fixes. Short-lived feature toggles are temporary flags used for specific testing purposes or to implement rapid fixes. They are usually removed once the feature is thoroughly tested and deployed. These toggles are invaluable for QA teams and developers who must validate features in a production-like environment without impacting end users. Introducing AWS App Config Feature Flags. AWS App Config, part of the AWS Systems Manager Suite, has evolved into a robust solution for managing feature flags. Initially designed for application configuration management, it now offers advanced feature flag management capabilities, providing developers with the tools to control feature rollouts precisely and confidently. Overview of AWS App Config and its expansion into feature flags. AWS App Config was created to help organizations deploy application configurations across multiple environments quickly and safely. With the introduction of feature flag management, AWS App Config has expanded its functionality, enabling teams to define, deploy, and manage feature flags with the same level of control and security. Critical concepts in AWS App Config Feature Flags. To effectively use AWS App Config for feature flag management, it's crucial to understand its fundamental concepts. Applications represent the software or services where feature flags will be implemented. Environments define the different stages of deployment, for example, development, staging, production. Configuration profiles store the configurations or feature flags applied to the environments. Deployment strategies for seamless rollouts. AWS App Config provides various deployment strategies to ensure smooth and controlled rollouts. Managed rollouts gradually roll out a feature across different environments or user groups. This strategy allows monitoring the feature's impact and rolling back if necessary. Immediate pushes deploy a feature flag instantly across all environments, typically used for critical updates or emergency switches. Automated rollbacks and native CloudWatch integration. One of the standout features of AWS App Config is its automated rollback mechanism. If a feature causes issues after deployment, AWS App Config can automatically revert the changes, ensuring application stability. Additionally, the native integration with AWS CloudWatch allows real-time monitoring and alerting, providing teams with insights into the performance and impact of feature flags, ensuring stability with automated rollback mechanisms. The automated rollback feature in AWS App Config is a critical safety net. By continuously monitoring application health, AWS App Config can detect anomalies and trigger a rollback, minimizing downtime and reducing the risk of widespread impact from faulty features. Pricing model and serverless architecture. AWS App Config follows a cost-effective, serverless pricing model, making it an ideal choice for organizations of all sizes. You only pay for what you use, with costs based on the number of configurations and deployments. This serverless architecture ensures scalability, allowing you to manage feature flags for applications with varying levels of complexity and traffic. Cost-effective and scalable feature flag management on AWS. By leveraging AWS App Config, organizations can manage feature flags scalable and cost-efficiently. The service's serverless nature means there is no need to manage the underlying infrastructure, freeing up resources to focus on feature development and deployment. Conclusion: embracing AWS App Config for feature flag management. AWS App Config offers a powerful and flexible solution for managing feature flags in modern software development. Its robust deployment strategies, automated rollback mechanisms, and seamless integration with AWS services provide a comprehensive toolkit for feature flag management. By embracing AWS App Config, organizations can improve their C/CD processes, reduce deployment risks, and deliver better software faster. Benefits and best practices for implementing feature flags on AWS: enhanced control. Gain granular control over feature rollouts, reducing the risk of introducing bugs or performance issues. Rapid response. Quickly turn off problematic features with emergency switches, minimizing downtime. Scalable management. Manage feature flags for applications of any scale with AWS's serverless infrastructure. Cost efficiency. Benefit from a pay-as-you-go pricing model that scales with your usage. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website and follow our social media links.